Hello, World History Cardinals. It's Miss Wall, and I am going to show you how to go back and find old lessons and give you an idea of what we did that day. So, as you already know, you go to Rapid Identity, click on Canvas, and your dashboard pops up. Now, for me, it says World History. Now, your view will look like this. So the first thing you're going to see is a list of assignments over here. If you know you've done these assignments, then get rid of them. Click the X. But for today, I'm going to show you how to get to your classes. I'm on the home page, and I'm going to click the blue button that says Enter Here. We are in Unit 1, and here are all your lessons. Today, I'm going to talk about lessons 1 and 2. If you missed Friday, I think it was August 21st, here is the activity you need to do. You have to watch a video, and then after the video that says write down anything and everything you notice in the discussion box. There is no incorrect or correct. This is a discussion box. This is where you are taking your notes. Then you're going to click the words post reply. Then you need to simply go back up, and here's a student here. If you can see the like button, then you use that. Then you click your next, and you have an activity. First, you're going to read over this and get to learn the characters in the lunchroom fight. This document is there for you too. You don't have to write on this document, but you can also still take notes. And then this is the document that I have put in Google Classroom for you because we had some issues opening it. After that, please read the slide and take notes on that slide. This is what we did in class. We answered those questions as a group, and we took notes and defined that historians are investigators, and we wrote down the skills. We explained each of the slide, and then these were the two questions, and that is what your classmates turned in. Click next. Here's the same document I was telling you about. It is now locked, but you still get an idea of what you were doing or what we did in class that day. And then that's it. That is the end of that for Unit 1, Lesson 1. Now I'm going to go back and repeat the same for Unit 1, Lesson 2, because I'm also doing Monday's assignment, which was August 24th. Going back to Unit 1. Now I'm going to Unit 1, Lesson 2, and it says SPICE right here. Your classmates learned what SPICE was, and it is an acronym for social, political, innovations, culture, and economic themes that you find in history. Here we learned about bias and how it influences history. And so as you see, you have another response box, and then you had to respond to 2 other peers and like or comment on their response. You'll see that when you open it. Then we took notes on this information. We put some information in the chat. I told them to put the 2 or 3 things that appealed to them. And then here you go with the themes: SPICE, SPICE, social, political, innovations, cultural, economics. Memorize that. Here are definitions on each one. There's the information on bias. You kind of judge on that. Your classmates said that both of those were biased. And then you get definitions of primary sources and the examples, plus secondary source and an example. Here is a copy of what your SPICE notes should look like. So you can do a chart, a graphic organizer like this that looks like a chart. And then after we did that, they had a homework assignment. Now it started off as classwork, but as usual, sometimes it takes longer to get to these things. When you click on this button, the student said there was a glitch. So what I ended up doing was putting that information in Google Classroom. So you find your class. So let's say you have me for Block 1 Virtual Plan C. So you're going to go here, then you're going to go to Classwork, go to the section that says Think Like Historians, and I would look for Suspension Report or SPICE Flyer. This is SPICE, so we look for SPICE Flyer. Then click on this. And here's the template you can use to do that assignment. Read the directions carefully. All right, going back. Once we finished that, we did give a little bit of class time. You click next, and it says you did it. You did it. So your classmates have already turned in the homework on lessons 1 and 2. They were due like the next day for them. And most of them did it on the same day. All right, hopefully this helps you out. This was work for Friday, August 21st and Monday, August 24th. Have a great day. See you soon.